Hi everyone, my name is Lisha. Today I want to show you this elegant living room table lamp. As you can see, it is slightly larger in size. So it is ideal for living room side tables, chests of drawers, and console tables. It's elegant enough to blend into any room. You can see the beautiful jewel blue glass body and the lampshade with a brown metallic finish. Let me show you 3 color temperatures. Warm for relaxing, neutral for reading, and cool for the focus. Find your ideal lighting mode. I guess you noticed that it has a dual light design. It changes color temperature with the light bulb. This lamp perfectly suits elegant, light luxury and modern style. That's all for today's sharing. See you next time. Bye bye!